Hey, Coach Jason here, and today I want to answer the most common question that I get, which is, how is it even possible to only spend 30 minutes to an hour a day and actually earn any kind of a realistic, what people consider a full time income that's going to help them escape from the current job that they have? Well, I totally understand where people are coming from when they ask this. I understand that it just doesn't seem realistic. It doesn't seem possible, and I understand that a lot from where I came from. The first job that I had was in one of those really huge meat packing plants, and I'll spare you all the details of just how awful that job was. But I know at that particular time in my life that hearing something like that would have been completely unrealistic to my mindset at that particular time. There's just no way that I would have believed that something like that was possible. But just because at that particular time in my life, just because I didn't believe it, it doesn't mean that it isn't true and that it wasn't true then. It's actually much easier in today's day and age than it was back then. But people have always been, whether it was direct mail or online, have been able to market themselves and market a business system to earn money online, either online or offline. So, with that being said, don't let the unrealistic belief that you have right now sway you from reading the free book that you're about to get. That was most likely how you're getting this video. Is you clicked on something where it was advertising a 182 page escape plan book, which is a digital book, and it goes into details about people that have made millions of dollars online. Now, that doesn't mean that you're going to make $1 million. It doesn't even mean that that's a part of your reality right now. But let's just take a minute and think about it. What's the number that helps you escape from whatever situation you want to escape from? Maybe it's $750 a week. Maybe it's $300 a week. Everyone's at a different stage in their life, and what they're how much time they're willing to spend, and what is their reality, what's going to help them get to that next level. And that's the point that I'm trying to make in shooting this quick video is, at that stage in my life, my only reality was showing up at that meatpacking, that processing plant, doing the awful job that I had to get hours in order to, put food on the table and pay the bills. But the reality of it is at that particular time, I didn't understand that there was a better way, a different way. So just because at that time I thought it was a scam, and at that time I didn't believe it, obviously it was true. And today there's millions of people that are earning money online, and some of them, they don't spend 30 minutes a day. They barely spend an hour a whole week to earn the amount of money that they make. So with that being said, I just wanted to shoot this short video, kind of introduce myself again. I'm Coach Jason. I'm going to be sending you some emails. I hope you get a lot of value from the escape plan book. And in the emails, it'll also have my contact information. So if you have some more questions, I'll be happy to follow up with you and get all those questions answered. Look forward to, hope you get a lot of value from the book, and I hope to see you on the other side.